ERi-TV with English News Broadcast viewers. Hello and thank you for joining us. Reporting our domestic and international news for Monday, the 3rd of February from our headquarters in Asmara is Heaven Johans, your news anchor for this session. We shall first begin with the major headlines. Efforts to develop the overall capacity of the youth in Agodet subzone. Road renovation program in Arona subzone. Death toll in Gaza rises to nearly 62,000. And Iran unveils 3 new homegrown satellites. In our domestic news, the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students Office in the Agodet subzone have reported that significant efforts are underway to enhance the overall capacity of youth in the subzone. According to the report, vocational training programs are being developed to equip young people with essential skills and knowledge, enabling them to improve their livelihoods and contribute to development initiatives. Mr. Yasin Mohammed Noor, head of the office branch, stated that various vocational training programs have already been offered. Currently, training is being provided in fields such as computer technology, electrical and electronic systems, solar system installation, beauty salon services, as well as first aid. Mr. Yasin Mohammed Noor noted that 227 youth, including 112 females, are participating in these programs. The participants, expressing gratitude for the opportunity, voiced their commitment to apply the skills gained from the training to enhance their livelihoods and develop their capacities. In another news, road renovation activities supported by machinery are underway in this Arona subzone. The initiative is being carried out in collaboration with the Central Command of the Defense Forces, Public Technical Services in the Southern Region, and the Arona subzone administration. Colonel Asras Issa, commander of Division 11, explained that the road renovation program includes ski routes in Meshal Akhran, Hadish Adi, and Akhran, among other areas. He noted that the roads had been severely damaged over time, making it difficult for vehicles to navigate. With the ongoing renovations, residents will be able to carry out their daily activities more efficiently. Colonel Asras also urged the allocation of Harat transportation services in the area. Mr. Haile Mengeshe, acting administrator of the subzone, emphasized that transportation has been a long-standing demand of the residents and that the completion of the renovation project will address this issue. In related news, the renovation of dirt roads leading to the historical Nakfa Trench is also in progress. This project is being implemented in partnership with the public and members of the defense forces. Mr. Johannes Ghebreyesus, head of cultural affairs in the Northern Red Sea region, highlighted the significance of preserving the historical trenches where heroic feats were demonstrated by liberation fighters. He noted that the road construction will help maintain these sites and pass their legacy on to future generations. Participants in the project expressed their full commitment to seeing the program through to completion. The Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare branch in the Ma'ani subzone has rehabilitated 10 foster families, disabled citizens and orphans by providing livestock worth 100,000 nakfa. Mr. Johannes Abraha, head of the office branch, explained that the beneficiaries were selected by their respective area administrations and each received livestock valued at 10,000 nakfa. The beneficiaries, expressing gratitude for the support, pledged to work hard to improve their livelihoods with the resources they were provided. Do stay tuned, dear viewers, for we'll be back with the international news after the short break. Welcome back. The government media office in the Gaza Strip has raised the death toll from Israel's genocidal war to 61,709. The media office released the figure yesterday by adding 14,222 who were missing and now presumed dead to 47,487 bodies that were already confirmed dead. The victims included 17,881 children, among them 214 newborn babies. This figure is expected to possibly increase as several are still missing. Around 120,000 Palestinians have been injured and the whole population of the Strip has been forcibly displaced ever since the war in Gaza began in October 2023. This is according to reports. Moreover, the war has caused devastating destruction in the Strip and killed over 1,100 healthcare professionals. Meanwhile, the United Nations warned that the Gaza needs are immense and any hope of recovery will require a full-scale humanitarian response. The UN also stated that the completely destructed infrastructure of the Strip will require long years of recovery work worth billions of dollars. Iran launched 3 new domestically developed satellites in the Iranian capital Tehran on Sunday to mark its National Space Technology Day. These satellites, namely Navak-1, Pars-2 and an upgraded model of Pars-1, were unveiled in a ceremony attended by the Iranian President, Minister of Information and Communications Technology, as well as a number of cabinet members, officials and military commanders. Developed by the Iranian Space Research Center, the Navak-1 communication satellite is designed to test the function of an improved version of the homegrown Simorgh launch vehicle in the near future. The Pars-2 remote sensing satellite is designed to carry out diverse missions in the fields of environmental monitoring, forestry, natural disaster response, and urban management. While the third one is the upgraded model of Pars-1 remote sensing satellite, which was launched on February 2024 aboard a Russian rocket. Iranian Defense Minister Aziz Nasserzadeh said the country plans to conduct 2 space launches in the coming weeks before the end of March 2025. In today's final report, an earthquake with a magnitude of 5.5 struck 39 kilometers west-northwest of Atidona, Ecuador on Friday, the U.S. Geological Survey stated. The quake had a shallow depth of 10 kilometers and was felt over a larger region. The shallow depth of the quake caused it to be felt more strongly near the epicenter than a deeper quake of similar magnitude would. Although no fatalities reported, minimal physical damage has occurred, according to Ecuador's officials. Meanwhile, experts warn inhabitants to stay alert as additional quakes are expected to occur in the area. With this, we conclude our news for this session. Dear viewers, time for a quick recap of the major headlines. Efforts to develop the overall capacity of youth. Road renovation activities in the Corona subzone. Death toll in Gaza rises to nearly 62,000 as thousands of missing declared dead. And Iran unveils 3 new homegrown satellites. This was World on Monday with ERi-TV English News broadcast. Dear viewers, thank you for joining. It's officially a goodbye from us.